What's in the trunk there? Got wet, huh? I think your sippy cup leaked. Yeah, looks like you're doing a little car maintenance. You're on the side of the road with the hood up. Hey, I'm changing the battery here. Yeah, that's right. Got a lot of work to do. You gonna help or what? Sit there with the camera. It's a whole project, Dad. I better put the water in. Probably low in the radiator, yeah. Cooling system in this little step 2 car. Not so sure about. A little for the driver. Don't forget the driver. That's right. Austin, was that good? That's right. Yeah. So good. No, maybe we need that. Well, maybe not. I don't know.